Hello, I'm Chris,
And this is Trevor.
and we're going to be doing a series of tutorials on Scratch programming software and how to use it and do basic stuff with it. And I hope it'll get you started. So first, what you want to do is you want to go to scratch.mit.edu like that, and that's the web version. And then you can hit join Scratch and then sign up for the stuff. I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in really quick. I just had it saved to my thing. So anyway, I'm gonna go to my stuff to create a new project thing. New project. Sorry, it's taking a bit. I don't have the best computer in the world. Okay, so we can wait. So this is what it looks like when you start it, right? And then I'm just gonna quickly get rid of this cat thing. So you basically have backdrops, and then you also have sprites. The sprites are like the characters and the enemies, and the backdrop is basically what the background looks like. It's kind of like a stage, right? So I'm gonna try to find a character for our sprites that we're gonna use. So let's see. How about 8? No. Ninja. I don't know. Randomly, whatever. Actually, no, if we're doing a video game character, then, okay, that's not what I wanted at all. If we're doing a video game character, then we should probably make it like 8-bit. I mean, just because I'm that way. Let's go. So let's wait a bit, and yeah, let's find one. Let's find a ninja that's gonna work. That's not good enough, but that's awesome. Okay, how about this one? This one should work. Okay, save image as ninja. Okay, so then I'm gonna just take this sprite, and you can actually draw sprites, and then they have their own libraries of sprites, right? Animals, fantasy, letters, whatever. But we're gonna be uploading our own character because that's what I want to do. So we're gonna hit this thing right here. It says upload sprite from file. We're gonna pick ninja. Wait for it. Boom. Okay. Well, so then I'm gonna go to costumes to kind of edit stuff, and then this is kind of how you do. This is how you do basic animation. So you can change the costumes for, like, let's say you wanted to have a ninja with like one of them ninja stars. You'd take the ninja star. You'd take the ninja with the ninja star in their hand, and then you'd hit when you press so and so key, switch costume to ninja with ninja star out of hand, and so and so. You get the idea. So we're gonna be creating a ninja kind of thing. So first you have this select tool. It's what you can use to like select things. So let's say I want to make this ninja larger. I can do that really easily just by doing that. And then I click that. And it changes right. Wait, just a second. Just a second. Just a second. No. That's okay. I'll show that later. Just a second. Okay. Well, it's supposed to become larger. Oh yeah, there it goes. So it becomes larger. If you notice right around here, um, next, you have the erase tool. So let's say I wanted to draw a sword for the new. Okay, I'm bad. No. I want to draw a line, right? But then let's say that line's
Bit too thin.
a bit too thin. Yeah, sure. Okay. So I hit the eraser tool, then I erase it right there, and then I can erase it. You also have the brush tool, which just you can make it thicker and thinner. You can make it thicker like that, and then thinner
You
and
do that
stuff.
with the lines too.
Uh-huh.
Same bar.
And then you can use the eraser. I'm just gonna Control Z.
Change the size of the eraser too down at the bottom.
Yeah. You also have the fill. Well, yeah, actually, no. I should explain this. So you have the rectangle. Also, you also have the rectangle, right? So let's say I'm just gonna draw a rectangle here, right here, and then let's say I want to fill it with color. You can hit the fill tool, fill with color, orange. Sure, why not? And then boom, you have an orange rectangle. I don't know why you'd want that, but hey, if you're a fan of orange rectangles, that's for you. Control Z. You can also have text, whatever, doesn't matter. Control Z actually. To just delete that bit, and you can also use Control Z, undo, delete, whatever. You can include ellipses as well. That means like circles and ovals and stuff. Then you also have these scissors to delete stuff. So let's say I want to delete that. Delete. Oh, does that? Okay. Never mind. I'm sorry. Let's just use the eraser to delete the circle or the oval. I'm sorry. Okay. Yeah. We're doing it. So yeah, so I did that, and then what else did I miss anything? You can also use line to draw like straight lines and stuff. One final tool is select and duplicate. So what's cool about that is you can select. Let's say I want to select this oval, select it, and then can I duplicate? Okay. Never mind. Oh no, that's not duplicate. That's just select. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so then you also have a different thing. You can convert it to the vector mode. So this is currently in bitmap mode. It's kind of complicated that way, but this way you can like kind of draw stuff, whatever, like that. Draw freeform. Move that out of the way. Then take like a point on the line. I don't know. Draw a point like right there. Okay, never mind. But whatever. So yeah, that's basically kind of how you can do it. And they're both really useful modes. Vector mode can draw freeform. Bitmap mode helps you draw shapes and stuff. They have a lot of similar features like rectangle and then the ellipse and then drawing stuff. But this also has a reshape feature. And that's you can kind of like draw points on things and then kind of reshape it like that. See, look, I can like bend that kind of out of the way, right? To make a deformed thing. I don't know, whatever that is. Whatever. Okay, so I can do that if I want.
Another thing you can do is if you select it and say you want it upside down, you can click these buttons up here, flip it, or flip it that way if you want to.
Yeah, or you can just use this kind of thing right up here, right, to rotate it.
Either one works.
Yeah, either one works. Just do what's best for you. And then we also have, we're almost done, but we also have these tools right here. This duplicate tool. And then the delete tool, as I've mentioned already, I can like delete a sprite. I'm not gonna do that, but I can delete a backdrop, whatever. Grow, makes them larger. Then this would make them smaller, shrink. So then you also have help, and yeah. So let's say I'm done with my project. I'm gonna title it Ninja. I don't know, whatever. I hit share, right? And then anyone can see it. You can also unshare stuff. So we're also going to be doing tutorials on sprites and backgrounds. So if you want to see that, then check that out. Thanks and bye.